진짜로다가 안 때린대요.
I am currently on a journey to a healthier lifestyle, and I'm trying to not necessarily decrease my carb intake, but just eat healthier carbs and to really increase my protein. So I aim for about 100 grams a day. Today I came up with 3 recipes, like a full day of recipes where I'm gonna be consuming more than 100 grams. They're all gonna be really, really tasty and really good, and it will be very satisfying. I think some people think that if you're decreasing your carb, you are just gonna be hungry, or it just sounds like a diet or whatnot, but I promise you, you will be very full with the 3 meals that we will be eating today. I don't even know if you'll have room for dessert, to be completely honest. Let's get started with breakfast. I just came back from Pilates, so I normally drink a warm cup of water, and I switch on and off with adding lemon to it. So I usually do 2 weeks of lemon with my warm water and then 2 weeks without the lemon, just so that I'm not burning my lining. This from Costco. So it's just a bottle of freshly squeezed lemon. If you look at the ingredients, it's literally only organic lemon juice. That's all there is to it, nothing else. And it also says here, not from concentrate, it's fresh. So I usually add this in because I don't want to buy lemons. It's just a hassle, right? So I usually do lukewarm water, not hot piping water. So I'll boil some water and add a little bit of this. And since this is in the fridge, it evens out the temperature and makes it warm. So for the egg salad, we're not gonna be boiling it. We're gonna be sticking it into the air fryer. So expensive, but I find that Trader Joe's is affordable. So I'll add in about 3 eggs between me and my husband. This. Oh my gosh, yes. When eggs are jammy, it tastes better in egg salad. So because it is so jammy, I don't need that much mayo. I am gonna do half mayo and half plain yogurt just to increase my protein. Add a little bit of allulose, very low cal, it's like 12 calories. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper, of course. How is it? Something that I learned and something that I'm implementing into my daily habits. I make sure to eat all 3 meals, or I'm not getting myself to go into this crazy mode later on in the day where I'm just scarfing food down. I just try to maintain my glucose levels pretty steady throughout the day unless I'm sleeping. The first thing I eat is usually just protein. And I try my best to stay away from any kind of carb or sugar or fruits in the morning. Normally what I'll do is the mozzarella cheese and a boiled egg, or now an air fried egg. And that gives me about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 grams of protein right off the bat in the morning. And I normally don't eat a big breakfast unless I work out and I'm like so hungry. They say that the first thing you eat is very important. If the first thing you put in is sugar, your sugars spike, and that's not good. So they say if you're gonna eat carbs, to eat it in the middle of the day where you will burn it off throughout the day. Perfect temp. Making this is extremely easy. We make I say crust because this is normally, I make a pizza out of it, a pizza crust out of it. But for the taco shell, we'll need some freshly ground chicken. I use about a pack of it. And we'll need 1 egg and some Parmesan cheese and your pepper seasoning. I'm just gonna use salt and black pepper today. But we will go ahead and give that a mix and make flat tortilla pieces out of it. Stick these in the oven. So it comes with this, and this. So we have our chicken here. And we'll top it with the salad. We have our tacos.
김씨랑 박씨도 배돌려 병원부터 가졌다던데 그날따 저 그냥 설탕을 손가락은 갱글 쳐놓고 밤새 배를 타요. 이제는 진짜로다가 안 때린대요.
It is already dinner time and I am not hungry at all. Not hungry. I love that it's 5:30 and the sun is still out. Anyways, what I have prepared for dinner is a soft tofu egg, steamed egg. And this is something that I ate a lot when I was in IVF. But we'll also have that with some beef rolls stuffed with Enoki mushroom and chives. With normal Enoki beef recipes, you have the meat and you roll it. But I got like these pre-frozen ones from Costco. I think it's a hot pot use beef rolls, but I'm gonna use it for this today because it's already in a circular shape. So I'm just gonna stuff it with a lot of chives and some Enoki mushroom. And we're gonna stick it into the microwave. Okay, so each beef roll is about this big, which is about the size of the mushroom. So I'm not gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut the chives though into the size. Gonna go in the microwave. Now for the sauce, I'm gonna be using this baton sauce. You guys are probably like, you really like this sauce. I do. Not too much, just like that. Oh my. Remember I used to eat this all the time?
Yeah.
Perfectly seasoned.
A little bit of sesame oil.
Thanks for watching.